Hey guys, Peterman here, and today I'm being joined with
Exploding Guardian!
and today we are playing some Lego City Undercover. We haven't played this game before, but we just thought we would just play this game for you guys today and just mess around. So yeah, if you didn't know, well, yeah, me and Guardian have already completed the levels on this game, so we're just gonna. We have most of the cars. Well, we have some of the cars, and yeah, so I'm gonna go back up here. Yeah. What are you doing, Guardian?
I don't know. Bro, there's some drifting skills on.
Okay, I need to go to performance. And recently I unlocked this car.
If you guys don't know who Dino Doof is, he's like the most epic person in the world.
Yeah, Guardian has this character that he likes to be, and he calls it Dino Doof. Okay, so I got the best car.
And he has so many cars, and he's really rich. He has like
Where'd you go, Guardian?
I don't know. I believe I can fly. No, let me out. Come on.
Let me out. Go. Oh, and if you guys don't know, we are playing this on the Xbox One. So, yeah, that's what we've been playing, like, Battlefront and Forza on, so.
Pretty much all mine.
Oh, hello, Guardian.
Yeah, we're out of fly. But look at them dance moves. Oh. Drive me to the character place.
Off we go.
You passed it. Gladly.
Sorry, it's an emergency.
I'm in my swagger car, bro.
Come back here.
No. Oh, that's why now I'm really good at parkour and dodging all those attacks. Alright, let me show you Dino Doof. What? Wrong one. Just so you know, this is Dino Doof. He's one of our specialists. Here's Dino Doof. Dino Doof.
Darn. I was about to block you in.
No. Nope.
No, I can't get out. No.
Dino Doof.
Okay, here we go.
Alright,
Ooh, stairs.
Should I do his muscle car?
Of course. I'm getting my different car. I'm gonna get the best car in the game. Well, not the best car in the game, but the second best car in the game.
What's the best car?
The third best car in the game.
Oh
There you
yeah.
go.
Here's Dino Doof's car.
Gimme.
I can move. I can drive and get a copter and get Dino Doof's copter.
Gonna get in trouble for that.
Watch this, guys. Worker. And boom.
It's a toilet!
The best car in the game. Well, third best car in the game.
What's the best car?
I don't know. Okay, here we go.
Logic.
Boom. Let's go.
Yes.
Let's
have a race to the country. Race to the country. 3, 2, 1, go. That's how you're slow. No! I knew you overtake me.
No, the truck! No!
Ha
No!
Woo! And then the subway. Yeah, Woo!
Sorry, police business.
This is your advantage.
Here we go. Wow, me.
Come on, I'm almost there. We have to run the whole rest. Except for I don't have to.
Police.
I have a guardian truck. One aid. Come on.
Here I come.
No. Come on, I want this guy's clown bike thing. Come here.
This is an emergency.
Yeah.
That's an ATV, not a clown bike.
I said quad. First one to the beach wins.
Nuh-uh.
Yes, man.
Okay, I need to catch up.
This is your advantage. I made it. I'm on the beach.
Nuh-uh.
Yes, I am. Woohoo! I win.
It's because you cheated.
I did it.
You did.
How?
It's because you called go to the beach before I was leaving off the bridge.
No. Alright.
Darn.
I'm gonna jetpack out of here. See ya.
You can't jetpack out of here.
But I do. Bunker. Okay, that was just sad. I'm gonna be.
Okay. Oh, what the? There's a thingy up there? No. Okay. What's this road?
It's not a road. It is a road.
I need a car. I need a car.
Wait.
You sir.
No, this is the road doofy guy. He's the road doofy guy, Spades. Spades
No,
and
what the-
Spades.
What
What about be the road doofy guy?
No.
Yes.
No, I'm not being him.
I'll be in one.
You can't tell me what to do.
I'll be in.
Woo! Car.
He has the best running skills in the world.
Emergency.
Get out of the way.
Right. I'm gonna go.
Okay, guys, we are nearing the end of the video.
No.
So I'm gonna do some
Yes.
outro things. So yeah,
Guys, yeah, but
be sure
first,
to
you
subscribe
guys
to
have
this
watch it.
channel.
Woohoo!
What? Okay, guys. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And also subscribe to the BP0003 channel, the Chompy Adventures channel, and the and the Zackraft channel and the Exploding Guardian channel. You have anything you want to say about your channel, Guardian?
Great. You're glad.
You don't.
How come he's smiling when he has lip polish?
Okay, guys, I think that is it for us. So, again, Guardian, do you have anything you want to say about your channel? Oh yeah, also subscribe to the General Applejuice channel. If you did see his last Clash Royale video, it's pretty funny actually. So go subscribe to that channel, and I think that is it for us. So bye.